Managing a busy college schedule can feel overwhelming, especially when trying to balance classes, homework, work, and activities. Google Calendar is a simple and effective tool that helps students stay organized by keeping all of their events, deadlines, and tasks in one place. This training manual will teach you how to use Google Calendar step by step so you can manage your time better, avoid missing important deadlines, and feel more in control of your daily schedule.
Balancing a job while being a college student can be challenging and stressful, but having a clear system makes it much easier. Working teaches responsibility, but it can also become very stressful when school assignments and my shifts start to overlap with each other. Using a tool like Google Calendar helps you see your full schedule in one place. This helps me so I can plan my study time around work hours and avoid rushing places at the last minute and getting things done at the last minute. It also helps me set boundaries, like limiting my work shifts during exam weeks or blocking off time for big assignments that I have. It also lets me keep everything organized, and when everything is organized and visible, you can stay on top of my responsibilities. This reduces my stress, which helps me keep both my job and my schoolwork running smoothly, which is very important.
Balancing schoolwork with on-campus activities can be challenging because meetings, events, and responsibilities often overlap with class deadlines. Being a part of a club or organization is a great way to meet new people and build leadership skills, but it also means managing your time wisely. Using a tool like Google Calendar helps you keep track of when assignments are due and when your campus activities take place, so you can plan and avoid scheduling conflicts. By staying organized and giving yourself enough time for both your academic work and your activities, you can stay involved on campus without falling behind in your classes.
Balancing a job while playing women's lacrosse can be difficult because both require time, energy, and commitment. Practices, games, and travel can quickly fill your schedule, and working on top of that can make it harder to stay caught up with schoolwork. Using a tool like Google Calendar helps to keep track of practice times, game days, and work shifts in one place so that you can plan. It also enables you to see which days are too busy and when you might need to adjust your hours or talk with your coach or employer. By staying organized and planning your time carefully, you can succeed in your job while remaining fully committed to your lacrosse team.
Balancing schoolwork with Muay Thai training can be challenging because both require time, focus, and energy. Muay Thai is an excellent way to build discipline, fitness, and confidence, but if you're not careful, consistent training sessions can make your schedule feel packed. Using a tool like Google Calendar can help you organize your assignments, your study blocks, and training times. So if you can see your week clearly and avoid overloading yourself, by planning and staying organized, you can remain committed to Muay Thai while keeping up with your school responsibilities and enjoy both without unnecessary stress.
One way that Google Calendar can help balance your busy schedule is by being able to add all of your Canvas assignments into it at once. First, open Canvas and go to the calendar page. On the right-hand side, find the section labeled Calendar Feed. Click the checkbox to enable it, and then select the link that appears underneath. This link is your Canvas calendar URL. When the link opens, choose Copy to save the calendar URL to your clipboard. Next, open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, look for the section titled Other Calendars. Click the plus sign next to it, and then choose From URL. In the box that appears, paste the Canvas calendar link you copied earlier, then click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will now automatically import all of your Canvas events. They'll appear under Other Calendars, and you can rename or recolor the calendar if you want to customize how it looks. And that's it. Your Canvas deadlines are now synced with Google Calendar. One other helpful aspect of the Google Calendar is being able to add events that repeat daily and weekly, like sports practices. First, make sure you're on your main calendar page. Now on the left-hand side, click the Create button. A new event window pops up, and here, start by typing the name of the event. Next, select the date and the time. If you need to adjust anything, you can just click directly on the date or the time and change it. Now choose which calendar you want the event to be added to using the drop-down. If you want to add a location or any notes, you can type those in this section. After everything looks correct, Click Save, and now the event appears right on the calendar on the day that you selected. And that's how you create a new event in Google Calendar that can repeat whenever you would like.
So the next tip is how you can share your Google Calendar with classmates, friends, and teammates so you guys can work on projects together, collaborate, and work in unison. So right over here, you're going to want to start off by going to your name, pressing the little 3 dots, and then going to Settings and Sharing. After you click on that, you're going to go with Shared With. And as you can see, I already shared it with my friend William, but now I want to also add my friend Jack because we're all working on a project together. So after I shared that with him, sent it over, and now you have the option to change if they can see only free/busy, and I can hide the details, see all event details, make changes to events, and make changes to the actual calendar itself. So I just have them as seeing my event details because I don't want them messing with my calendar. And yeah,